Good morning everyone. My name is Apurva Pancholi and we'll be starting with straight lines. Straight lines. Okay, first of all, what is a straight line? So we'll be defining it. It is a curve. It is a curve such that every point on the line segment joining any 2 points on it lies on it. It is a very clear definition, so we'll be starting with now slope. Very important. Now what is a slope? Slope is a tangent. It is a tangent of an angle that a line makes with the positive direction of x-axis in the anti-clockwise direction. Geometrically, it can be represented as, this is positive direction of x-axis. So if we draw a line here, then slope will be this, that is in the anti-clockwise direction of the positive x-axis. It is represented as theta. Now if we take like this, again it will be in the anti-clockwise direction of the x-axis. It is represented as theta again. Okay, the slope is represented as tan theta is equals to slope. Now we'll be doing some questions over it. So question number 1, I have to find the slope of a line whose theta is equals to 60 degrees. So very simple, m is equals to tan 60 degree, that is tan theta, which is equals to √3. Second question, now if theta is equals to 0 degree, m is equals to tan 0 degree, which is equals to 0 again. Now where theta is equals to 150 degree, m is equals to tan 150 degree, which can be written as cot 60 degree of minus. It is equals to minus 1 by √3. Now again, if theta is equals to 120 degrees, it can be written as m is equals to tan 120 degree is equals to minus cot 30 degrees. It is equals to minus 1 by √3. Okay. Now if we have to find the slope of a line in terms of coordinate of any 2 points on it, how we will find it? It can be represented as, like if this is a line and the 2 points are here x1 y1 and this is second point, that is x2 comma y2. How will we find the slope of it? It can be written as, that is the formula of finding the slope of the 2 points is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, that is difference of ordinates upon difference of abscissa. Now question based on it, if I have to find the slope of a line passing through points 3, 2 and minus 1, 5. How will I find it? Again, looking to the formula, m is equals to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Here, this is x1, this is y1, this is x2, this is y2. Putting in the formula, I'll be getting 5 minus 2 upon minus 1 minus 3 is equals to minus 3 by 4. Okay, now moving towards the next topic, it is angles between the two lines. Okay. It can be represented as, like, if this is first line and this is second line, this is B line, this is D line, and the angle between them is theta, and I have to find this. How will I find it? Formula is tan theta is equals to plus minus m2 minus m1 upon 1 plus m1 m2. Okay. Now we'll be doing some questions over it. So question number 1. I'm given point A as minus 2, 1, B as 2, 3, and C as minus 2, minus 4. These are the 3 points. I have to find the angle between BA and BC. So how will I do it? First of all, I will be finding out M1, which is the slope of BA, and M2, which is the slope of BC. So M1, again y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, this will be given as 3 minus 1 upon 2 minus 2, as this is x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Okay, now M2 on BC. This can be written as minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 2. It will be equals to 7 by 4. Now, let theta be an angle between BA and BC. So, here tan theta is equals to m2 minus m1 upon 1 plus m1 m2. As we are putting in mod, it will be plus minus. So 7 by 4 minus 1 by 2 upon 1 plus 7 by 4 into 1 by 2. हम लोगों ने m2 m1 निकाल लिया है, बस यहाँ पे वैल्यूज पुट आउट करी है. So it will be 10 by 8 divided by 15 by 8 is equals to plus minus 2 by 3. So here we know that theta is equals to tan inverse 2 by 3. So this is our answer. Okay. Now, if we have to find the condition of parallelism, that is, if the two lines are parallels. Condition for parallel lines. Let the slopes of the two lines be m1 and m2. Slopes of two lines which are parallel. Okay. Then the angle between them, angle formed will be 0 degree. Therefore, by putting in the formula, I'll be getting tan theta is equals to tan 0 degree, which is equals to 0, or m2 minus m1 upon 1 plus m1 m2 is equals to 0. From this, I can infer that m1 is equals to m2, that is, slope of both the lines are equal. Now, if the two lines are perpendicular, condition for perpendicular lines. Again, let m1, m2 be the slope of two lines which are perpendicular to each other. Here theta will be equals to 90 degrees. So I can say that cot theta is equals to 0, or 1 plus m1 m2 upon m2 minus m1 is equals to 0, or I can say that m1 m2 is equals to minus 1. Okay. Now we'll be doing some questions over it. So question number 1. If I have to find the angle between lines joining the points 0, 0, 2, 3 and 2, -2, 3, 5. How will I find it? Now I'll be taking out the slope of it, that is m1. This is the slope of line joining 0, 0 and 2, 3. So it will be 3, 0 and 2 minus 1, which is 3 by 2. So m2 will be equals to slope of line joining 2, -2 and 3, 5. So it will be 5 minus -2 and 3 minus 2 will be equals to 7. Now as we know that tan theta is equals to plus minus m2 minus m1 upon 1 plus m1 m2. So by putting out the values, it will be 7 minus 3 by 2 upon 1 plus 7 3 by 2, which is equals to plus minus 11 by 2 divided by 23 by 2, which is equals to plus minus 11 by 23. Therefore theta is equals to, as usual, tan inverse 11 upon 23 plus minus. Okay. Now second question, I'll be providing the points 6, 4, B, 2, 12 and I have to find the slope of the line. To find slope of a line perpendicular to this AB. How will I find it? I'll be finding slope of AB, that is 12 minus 4, 2 minus 6, as I know that x1, y1, x2, y2 is given. So it will be come out to be 8, 8 divided by minus 4, which is equals to minus 2. Therefore slope of a line perpendicular to AB is equals to minus 1 upon m, which is equals to 1 by 2. Now next question, I have to determine x so that 2 is the slope of the line passing through 2, minus 5 and x, 3. Very easy. I'll be finding it out. The slope of the line through 2, 5 and x, 3, which is 3 minus 5 upon x minus 2 by y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Therefore, as it is given in the question, by hypothesis I can say that 3 minus 5 upon x minus 2 is equals to 2, or 2x minus 4 is equals to minus 2, or x is equals to 1. Thank you. Now we'll be continuing it in next lecture.